Hello. Here I am. I'm working as a head of product in this very strange company, which is building digital products that are connected to ecology. And through these digital products, or derivatives, as we call it, we are creating a new funding mechanics for fundraising, conservation, and restoration projects. Through the years of operation, we collaborated with many different ecological organizations. Some of them you see on this slide. And with all of these organizations, we tried to build a pipeline that is called DEEP. DEEP is a protocol that allows us to connect real-life ecology with digital things. And there are many of these things that we are currently piloting and looking how we can use this information. For example, last year, during the Sub-Zero event, we distributed 1,500 proof of attendance tokens that resembled the whales and dolphins of the marine ecosystem of Portugal. Together with Moonsama, we created 400 unique lion avatars that are connected to real-life lions. So they live with these lions, they change with these lions, and unfortunately, sometimes they die with these lions as well. We're also working with more or less like a classic in-game cosmetic items, where we produce and distribute different skins, outfits that are still connected to a real-life ecology. And we are also huge fans of art, of ecology-based art, and this is how we actually met our partners of this project that we'll be talking later about, Wallet Connect. And with these partners, we distributed 120,000 artistic NFTs to 45,000 wallets during the Web3 Inbox launch. All this art was produced from the sound waves, from the recordings of the marine ecosystems. So it seems a bit abstract, but we are really trying to make this all real. This is why we have this website with the same name, actually. And on this website, you can see the assets that you own, like an NFT, and then you can see all the information about ecology that is connected to this asset. We're also now providing different news about the fundraising, about the project in general, how it's going. So you can watch different videos. For example, for the last year Sub-Zero event, we have this recording about the van that, together with the Polkadot community, we helped to buy for the conservation organization. So it's going quite well for us. Like, as the stats are growing, we started from a really small numbers, let's say, and now we are, like, through the years, we collected almost $200,000 that we distributed for these conservation organizations. But now, like, the biggest question here, how it's all connected to the project that we are presenting today, how it's all connected to Dotphin. So what is a Dotphin? Dotphin is a dynamic NFT collectible that lives in your wallet, and then it evolves and grows and changes with every event that you are visiting during your journey through the Polkadot ecosystem. So we are not specifically revealing the Dotphin now. So you kind of see on this picture that it will be kind of dolphin, maybe, I don't know, but there are like some things that are surrounded for sure. But if you already claimed this event proof of presence badge, you see that these badges are a bit different, right? These badges are actually connected to 3 elemental structures of nature. These badges are connected to air, water, and earth, or soil. And by collecting these badges, you are actually able to evolve your Dotphin. So the Dotphin that you will be hatching in August, it will be really kind of connected to the type of element that you collected at this event. So as you see, it can become more, let's say, earthy, or it can become more waterish. And of course, like if both of you having the same water proof of presence badge, it doesn't really mean that the Dotphin will be the same. So it's always different. Also, we are connecting a lot of the real-life benefits to the Dotphin project. So while Dotphin is evolving, we are allowing people to claim different benefits on different evolutionary stages of the Dotphin. So, for example, first 10 people who will evolve the Dotphin using this proof of presence badge will get the free tickets for the next year Decoded conference. We're also working with our partner on other benefits, but this is kind of, I think, the first thing that I can announce. And if we look at the project, it's quite complex. So it involves first a chain, right? So we need a chain that supports a dynamic NFTs. This is why we partnered with a unique network. Then we need a kind of tool that allows us to connect the wallet, that allows us to also remove the fragmentation of the wallets that are existing right now inside of the ecosystem. And then this is why we are partnering with Wallet Connect. Wallet Connect allows us to connect between different wallets. And the good thing is that the Wallet Connect will be integrating not only EVM, but also substrate-based addresses into the new app kit that they published quite recently. We are working on this right now. So it kind of forms the whole ecosystem of the beautiful user experience that you can already try by claiming the Dotphin token. So you can do it right now in your sub-wallet, or you can also just scan the QR code, and you can claim your proof of presence from today. But I think, yeah, we have something else here. It shouldn't really block your scanning experience, at least as I tested, otherwise I will remove it. So what we are planning to do next, we're also planning to address the old proof of presence tokens that existed inside of the Polkadot ecosystem. And specifically, we want to address the tokens that we issued on on a mainnet, right? On a plaza, that is what we called. So the last year Sub-Zero tokens. So the holders of the Sub-Zero tokens later will be able to kind of co-evolve their Dotphins with the Sub-Zero token features. That's the end of my talk. Thank you.
So do we have any questions from the audience? We have a very enthusiastic audience there. You're the first cat whistle we've got today. You must have said something right, or you bribed your colleague. Any other questions today, maybe? No? Well, do scan, I think, scan and get your proof of presence.
It's a boost.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you so much indeed, Vadim. I really appreciate and enjoyed your talk. And next up, we'll have a panel, but it won't be for a little bit. It'll be coming up at 5:10, where we will assemble our first panel and only panel of the day. So please come back and join us there again. Thank you very much.